यहाँ पे बहुत सारा सुकून और शांति मिलने वाला है। वेरी ऑफ लेटली चीजें उस टाइम पे इतनी ओवरवेलमिंग लगती थी ना। नोबडी इज रियली देयर फॉर यू, नोबडी कैन टेल यू हाउ टू फील। यू फील प्रिटी, यू विल फील बेटर। Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday, it's almost 5:45 or 6 a.m. and मैंने just 5 बजे सुबह लॉग आउट किया। Those who don't know, मैं currently नाइट शिफ्ट कर रही हूँ। So I just completed my work and took a bath and मैं तैयार हो रही हूँ to go to a place जहाँ पे बहुत सारा सुकून और शांति मिलने वाला है, दिल को भी और दिमाग को भी। So guys, let's get ready because I'm going to keep this video very raw and very real क्योंकि I have been very off lately. I'm not sure what happened. I just got a call, I'm sorry. उसके कारण ना I'm having so much anxiety. For me it's like anxiety has been with me since I was a kid and I never realized it until I grew up. Social media came into our life and we started understanding, oh, this is anxiety. बचपन से एक डर लगा रहता था and I was always waiting for something wrong to happen. I never realized that कि ये anxiety है. I'm currently having so much anxiety. My god. In school also, in school and colleges, I was very withdrawn. I used to sit in a corner and don't have any friends from school or college, just one or two. So there was a time in life where people used to call me lazy. लोग बोलते थे like when I started living alone, तू घर साफ नहीं रखती है, तू ये नहीं करती है, तू वो नहीं करती है. They called me lazy, etc. But the only thing was like I was not lazy. I am not lazy. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें उस टाइम पे इतनी ओवरवेलमिंग लगती थी ना. When I feel कि my mind and my body is in fight or flight mode, like always in a alert mode since I was a kid, like since forever. And I am just waiting for a shoe to drop and I could go running to it and fix it because I have already thought 1,000 scenarios of what could go wrong and I have made a solution to every one of them in my mind. And I thought कि ये तो normal है, ये तो सब करते होंगे, until I realized no, it is not. This is called anxiety. मैं प्राइमर लगाना भूल गई. If I go out, पसीना आएगा. I am going to sweat and look like, I don't know, sasta makeup artist kind of. But anyway, I am applying my sunscreen again so that my foundation वापस से लगा लूँ. So I have applied primer. Now let's go with the foundation again. Starting में जब मुझे anxiety होता था, I used to call my friends. I used to cry and I used to expect them to listen to me, have my back. But you have to realize at some point in your life कि nobody is really there for you and nobody can take the burden of what you are feeling. You have to sort it out yourself. You have to take care of yourself. You cannot just trauma dump on anyone. Just call them and just cry and just tell कि ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. People are not therapists. They also have a mental capacity to get things, to understand things, and nobody can think as deeply as overthinkers and the people with anxiety. So it's better deal with it by yourself. Sometimes life gets very heavy, okay, and people like me who are living alone, the silence gets very loud. It's like most of the days the silence is peaceful, but then there are some days where the silence is so loud that you can't even hear your heartbeats, and that just fucks it up. I even thought of taking a therapy, but I don't know, I just could not bring myself to it. मतलब बोलते ना, the thought of कि मुझे एक unknown person को I have to reveal my deepest darkest things, what goes on in my mind. I feel like I could not do it. So the two things that helped me the most was workout, gymming regularly, and spirituality. So guys, today we are going ISKCON, and I hope that I don't hope, I know that I am going to feel a lot better, lot better when I come home. मुझे इतना मन था वृंदावन जाने का, बट मैं आई कांट नाउ. सो हम इस्कॉन जाके ही अपने मन को थोड़ा शांत कर लेंगे. एनजाइटी में ना सबका एक अपना अलग बिहेवियर होता है. यूजुअली पहले आई यूज टू वांट पीपल अराउंड मी, बट नाउ आई डोंट वांट एनीवन अराउंड मी. लाइक when I am anxious, I just want to be left alone, and I come back when I am 100% okay and I am in a mental space to talk to people. So if you are my kind of person, so I would suggest ki get up, get ready. I know it's very difficult to get yourself out of the bed, but utho, get ready, apply some makeup, खुद अकेले जाओ. Like if you don't want to go to mandir, you go take yourself out on a movie date, and just book an urban company, a hair spa, or a detan, or a facial, or a cleanup, something to pamper yourself, and trust me, you will feel a little better. Or just order your favorite food. That I do all the time. I am a stress eater. If someone is watching who is staying alone like me, I know the silence. कभी कभी बिना कुछ गलत हुए लाइफ में दिल काफ़ी घबरा जाता है. एंड ये जो चार दीवारें होती है घर की, ये दे जस्ट स्क्रीम. एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट if you are in this situation, you are not alone. There are a lot of people who are going through the same, and trust me, they would be more than happy and willing to help you out, listen to you, and just be there for you. Guys, please don't let anyone ever tell you that you are overreacting to anything. Nobody can tell you how to feel. So अगर कोई भी आके तुमसे कह रहा है ना कि यू आर ओवर रिएक्टिंग, यू आर ओवर थिंकिंग, भाई का मतलब when you go to someone and they would say, अरे just be calm, don't think if it was that easy. But if someone is telling you that, just ignore and don't ever go to the same people to tell your problems. Guys, मुझे मस्कारा लगाना है, but I'm not going to apply that on camera क्योंकि मैं बहुत अजीब अजीब शक्लें बनाती हूँ. So let's apply it. See, I'm almost ready and I am already feeling a lot better. I mean, just get up girls, do a little makeup, and honestly, once you feel pretty, you will feel better. I'm gonna wear these earrings. कितना सुंदर है ना? Just so pretty. But first, let's make our hair. See, so cute, right? That's it, I'm ready. So we are going to take a deep breath and just go. Guys, isn't this kurti just too pretty?
ट्विटर वगैरह नहीं था अपडेट करने के लिए, बट दी कम्युनिकेशन मैकेनिज्म वाज सच स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू कैन इमेजिन जस्ट विद इन फ्यू मोमेंट्स सारे जो इंसिडेंट है कहीं कहाँ से आ गए, तो आप सोचो कैसे कैसे कोई जॉब में हो कैसे आ गया इतनी जल्दी. So because of the unique cities, of course they were not displaying in Facebook or दिखाते नहीं थे, but they all were very much capable. तो वहाँ पर कुछ समय आम बात थी.
माय गॉड गाइस, मैं एकदम आरती के टाइम पे पहुंची थी. आई गॉट द आरती, आई गॉट द कीर्तन एंड आई इवन गॉट टू हियर सम ऑफ भगवत गीता सुनने मिल गया मुझे थोड़ा देर. आई एम ऑलरेडी फीलिंग, मतलब इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना कि आई कांट इवन एक्सप्लेन. इट्स लाइक आई एम फीलिंग सो काम इन माई हार्ट एंड इन माई बोन्स. गाइस सच बताऊँ तो लाइफ ना हमेशा इंस्टाग्राम परफेक्ट नहीं होती है. Some days are peaceful and some days you have to fight for that peace. And सच बता रही हूँ यार, ऐसी जगह पे आके दिल को इतना सुकून मिल जाता है ना, इतना पीस मिल जाता है ना कि एवरीथिंग फील्स लाइक इट्स फॉलिंग इन प्लेस. आप भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा ओवरथिंक करते हो एंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा एंजाइटी हो जाती है मेरी तरह. मैं ज्ञान नहीं दे रही हूँ, तो एक्सपीरियंस से बता रही हूँ कि अपने लिए ना स्पेस बनाना बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. लाइक इट डजेंट मैटर वेयर दैट स्पेस इज, वो आपके घर पे हो, मंदिर में हो, कहीं पे भी हो, बट यू हैव टू गिव योर सेल्फ दैट टाइम एंड यू हैव टू मेक स्पेस फॉर योर सेल्फ एंड इट इज़ वेरी. शांति कोई परमानेंट स्टेट ऑफ माइंड नहीं है, ठीक है. कभी कभी मिलती है, कभी कभी ढूंढनी पड़ती है. चलो आज तो मिल गई, कल का फिर देखेंगे. एंड वी आर ऑलमोस्ट होम एंड बहुत ज्ञान दे दिया आज के लिए. चलो बाय बाय. Hi guys, I'm back home. Oh my god, बार बार क्या हाल हो गया है. Romanticizing auto rides turns into this. Okay, so I am feeling so much better now. I have got a lot of energy to do everything, but मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है and बहुत ज़्यादा भूख भी लग रही है. I'm not sure if I'm going to cook something or order something, but let's see. Guys, so I finally ordered my food. I did not make it. इतनी ज़्यादा थकान फील हो रही है ना, इतना ज़्यादा exhausted लग रहा है बॉडी. I think my food is here. I think so. See guys, मैं अब जाती हूँ, फटाफट ऐसे खाती हूँ एंड आई विल जस्ट टेक अ नैप 2-3 घंटे का. उसके बाद में उठ के ही मुझसे कुछ होगा. सो आई वुड से थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय, टेक केयर.